Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Kali Linux 2024.4 in VMware within 5 minutes. If you're a cybersecurity enthusiast or just exploring Kali Linux, this guide will help you set up a pre-built virtual machine quickly. So let's get started. So Kali Linux 2024.4 is available on the official website of Kali. I will give the official website link in the description below. So first of all, you have to download the official Kali Linux virtual machine for your VMware. Now here you can choose your Kali according to your needs, like installer images, virtual machines, mobile, cloud, live boot, WSL, ARM, and containers. Here I am choosing the virtual machines option. Now in pre-built virtual machines, you can download the Kali Linux virtual machines according to your applications. You can select VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU. Now here in this tutorial, we will download the VMware pre-built virtual machine. You can download directly from a web browser, or you can use a torrent. I have already downloaded the Kali Linux virtual machine, so I skipped this part. So this is my Kali Linux 2024. For Kali Linux pre-built VMware virtual machine in zip file format, we have to extract the file here. So you can use Windows Explorer, or you can use third-party software like WinRAR or 7-zip. I am using WinRAR here. It will take some time to extract the zip file. Meanwhile, you can see I am using VMware Workstation Pro. You can use normal VMware applications as well. The process is the same for both applications. So here you can see my Kali Linux 2024.4 VMware virtual machine is extracted. Here you can see the Kali Linux 2024.4 virtual machines files. So now open your VMware, and here you have to click on the Open Virtual Machine option, and the same option you can see in the File menu. Find the path where you extracted the Kali Linux virtual machine. You can extract the file in any location. Now open Kali Linux Virtual Machines folder. Here select this VMware file to open the Kali. And here you can see the Kali Linux virtual machine is opened in my VMware. Now here in the description, you can see the default username and password, as well as the keyboard layout. Now if you get this option to upgrade this virtual machine, just click on this option. Now here you have two options. First, create the new virtual machine, and second, alter the same virtual machine. So I am choosing the second option here. Now next step is to change or update the virtual machine settings according to your hardware. Here I am only updating the memory. You can change or update the settings according to your hardware. Now click on the Power this virtual machine option to start the Kali Linux virtual machine. And here you can see that Kali Linux is booting up. And here you can see the animation of Kali Linux. So this is the Kali Linux login screen. And here you can see the auto fit screen is working fine. This means you do not install or make any changes. Just log in and use the Kali Linux. Now log in with the default username and password. So this is the Kali Linux 2024.4 in VMware within 5 minutes. Now you can use the Kali Linux. So that is it. This is the way how to install Kali Linux 2024 for in VMware within 5 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.